Write this polynomial as the product of two binomials. The product of two binomials of this form shows a pattern in the values of a and b. The coefficient of the x term is a plus b, while the constant is the product of a and b. With this polynomial, this term represents a plus b, and this term represents a times b. If this polynomial can be factored, then we need to find the factors of -4 that also add up to 3. So here are the factor pairs for -4. We have -1 times 4, 1 times -4, 2 times -2, and -2 times 2. Which pair of factors will add up to 3? Let's take a look at a plus b. As you can see, this pair, -1 plus 4, will equal 3. So as a result, this polynomial can be factored as x minus 1 and x plus 4.